BGC Partners is an interdealer broker. We develop real-time trading systems. Communications is critical. We have offices in London, New York, Tokyo. So naturally, with a growing infrastructure, email becomes even more critical with respects to latency. It's got to be real-time.
Email has definitely become one of those applications you just can't do without anymore. There's more and more demands on the mail. It is mission critical up there with trading applications. It is very, very heavily relied upon. We were fortunate in our time frame that we could jump on the beta for Exchange Server 2010, and the benefits of that over and above what Exchange 2007 was going to give us, it's a no-brainer. We get an Outlook web access that looks like an Outlook fat client. We get the database availability group, which replaces the Windows clustering to make our life extremely easy. Storage availability from a client point of view, massive increase in mailbox size.
Our corporate governance demand that IT be very cost-conscious.
We were able to go from using high-end SAN to direct attach storage, which made it, one, a lot more flexible for us because we can add drives and remove drives as quickly as possible. And also there was a huge cost saving.
Storage is very important. It's the backbone to the environment. So we invested over $1 million to stabilise Exchange 2003 a couple of years ago. So with 2010 Exchange Server, we managed to reprovision that $1 million worth of storage to another business while investing in direct attached storage, and the clients could get bigger, quicker mailboxes on cheaper storage.
Having larger mailboxes allows us to give the users availability of their messages. It's always online for them. From a compliance standpoint, it allows us to keep track of messages a lot easier. There's not 50 or 60 different places we have to go and search.
Information is great, but if it's not relevant or if you can't find it, it's useless. The speed of the search is very important, and that goes back to the performance enhancements in Exchange Server 2010. It's going to give us features we actually never had before. So compliance is a hot issue for everyone, especially financial. We can use the rights management's capability within Exchange Server 2010 to enable not just compliance, legal, financial teams to only send to who they're allowed to, but we can apply that wider business groups as well.
The conversation view, it has helped our users organize their messages and keep track of what they're working on, and made it a lot easier for them to be more productive and to get their daily tasks done faster. The biggest thing that we like with Exchange 2010, it allows us, the multiple database copies allows us to move our backup window, which was one of the things that was plaguing us quite a bit in the Exchange 2003. Now we can take our backup, move it to our secondary data center, and do it at any time during the day. We're not bound to affect the users, and have a very tight window.
Communications are a very important part of our business. We live in a millisecond. Well, our customers expect to have uptime. We need a system that is reliable, that is redundant, that is retrievable. It's of the utmost importance.
We treat Exchange 2010 the same way we would treat our trading system. It's mission critical.